So today we're putting on 3 different types of GIB board. We've got 4 different types in there and we're gonna go over that. We've also got fire cork. Sounds a bit different depending on what accent you have. And a corking gun.
I don't know his name.
Oh, you committed? Shorts? Must be freezing.
Nah,
It's 5 degrees.
it's up here, mate. Don't worry about the leaks, bro.
Here I am with Patabel.
Hey guys.
And here is all the GIB board that we're going to be using.
Bro, do you have any new bags, Luke?
New bags of what? Oh,
Thank you. 'Cause I got a funny feeling it's full, eh? And probably last time we changed it was float.
I changed it recently.
Oh really?
Yeah, but I've got one more bag, I think. One more bag here. Sweet.
Start accompanying my band, bro. Start with that. What if I just did that, eh?
Every job.
Yeah, every job I took a bit of strip.
Okay. We have the brace line because there's some bracing elements on the wall. Then we have the fire line because there's a firewall. And then we have GIB tough line, which is a thicker paper and higher density, and that goes on the garage wall. And then we've got the GIB standard. And the GIB standard is, as the name would suggest, standard GIB board.
Get a bit of dust in there, but no worries, mate.
Because it's a brace sheet, we go 50mm with the first screw. Can you see that? We go 50mm to the first screw, 50mm to the second screw, 50mm to the third screw, and then we go 75, 75, and then 150mm centers all the way around.
What a piece of shit. It does that every time. Don't buy one of these.
Get to making with jive, boy, and shout. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shout. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shout. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, indeed, yes, you.